Okay, in this next video, we're going to take a look at working with some other elements. And we can begin with this element right here. I'm going to zoom it on in. I have another element that I want to work with. It's all the way up here. We're going to select this guy. And again, I can just come edit, copy, and then I'm going to paste it down below. So I'm going to come on down and I'm going to come edit, paste. Okay, great. So I have these two images right in here, and I have another image that I want to grab. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, here, this one right here. So I'm going to grab this arrow, edit, copy. Again, I can grab my hand, and I can come in, edit, paste. Okay, so let's take a look at how we could work with these. So we can come with this one right here. We can come in a little bit closer. Same thing, get it arranged how we want it to be. Grab onto our rotate tool, set the center point. Again, we can hold down Option and click, we get this window right here. I'm going to set this at 360, and I'm going to have 12 of these rotate. Actually, I'm going to go a little bit higher. Let's go to 15 of these rotate. Let's hit copy, and then Command D to move all the way around with this piece. Okay, there we have it. Excellent. Now let's say that we want to add a little bit more interest to this. We can also add in a shape if we'd like to. I could also come in and I'm thinking, I might actually like to add this image in here. I actually might like to do that. So what I could do is grab this guy right here, pull him into the center. Now I want to bring it to the front, so I'm going to come Object, Arrange, Bring to Front. I can make this the size that I want it to be, place it where I would like for it to be, and I can again use the rotate tool one more time. Rotate, I'm going to set the center point. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to click off of it, and now I'm going to come back over and hold down Option and click. And I'm going to go to 360, and I'm going to let this rotate 6 times. I'm going to hit copy, Command D, Command D, Command D, Command D. Excellent. So there we have it. Now I could also take this shape and put it in a different place and make it a little bit smaller. So I'm going to come edit, copy the shape, edit, paste in front. I'm going to grab onto the shape, pull it up, pull it over, make it smaller, make it even smaller, fit it on in. If I wanted to, I could even work with the color. I could change the color up if I wanted to. That would be something interesting to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to click onto the rotate tool. I'm going to set the center point. Again, I'm going to click off. I'm going to hold down Option and click. I get this window. I'm going to choose 360 degrees divided by 15. I'm going to hit copy, and then to get this to continue to rotate, I'm going to choose my Command D. There we have it. Okay, so we can see very easily. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can see this a little bit better. And come on in, let this fill our screen. So very easily we can work with these different shapes and create some very interesting designs.